Hey everyone, it's Benias. Welcome back to the Digital Bunny. It's been a while since I uploaded the last video, and today I'm back with an exciting video, and more videos will be coming soon. So, today I will show you how to properly shut down your Windows PC using a command prompt, and even how to create a one click shutdown file that runs automatically and shut down your PC. This is super useful if you are automating tasks, coding, or just want to look like a pro. So, step one or method one is going to be just directly going to CMD and typing the command. Okay, go to the search bar, then type CMD, open the first result, and type the same command I type on the screen. Shutdown space /s space /t space 0. Okay, let me explain this command. The /s command executes or tells the computer to shut down the PC, and the /t space 0 tells the computer to shut down in just 0 millisecond or 0 seconds. And you can also add this command, which is after s click space, then /f space /t space 0, and the /f executes that to forcefully close all open applications that's running on the PC. So this command will tells the PC to shut down by forcefully closing all the opened programs in just 0 milliseconds. All right. Also, using the same command, you can restart the PC. Just change the /s to /r. This tells the PC to restart by closing all the applications in just 0 milliseconds. Okay. Method 2 is going to be uh, typing the same command on Notepad and saving it as SMD file. So open Notepad, then type the same command that I'm going to show you on the screen. Shutdown space S space F space T space 0. Then click on a file, save as. Also, you can use the shortcut, which is Control Shift Save, and uh, click the path you want to save the file. Then name the file as you want. I will name it just Shutdown. Then don't forget this one, .cmd. Also change the type of the file to all files. Then just save it. All right. This now creates a CMD file on the desktop. Then you can run this as administrator or just click it, double click it, then it will automatically shut down your PC. And that's the today's video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up or like the video. Make sure to support the YouTube's algorithm also to make it support me. And thank you. See you. Bye bye.